to the other major regulatory move, and Nigel gave us a headline earlier, the fact that we finally have the official new criteria that decides what stocks go in and what stocks go out of the F&O market. So, Nigel, you gave us a headline earlier that, it could be Jio and Zomato we focus on, because if they get in F&O, they get in the Nifty.
Absolutely.
But what are the internals? I mean, what really changes?
All right. Well, SEBI has announced a formal revision of the thresholds for stocks entering and exiting the F&O segment. Now, the notable changes in the methodology was the median quarter sigma order size requirement, which has been increased from 25 lakhs to 75 lakhs. That's the first point. Secondly, the market-wide position limit has been revised from around 500 crores to around 1,500 crores. And finally, the average daily value over the last 6 months has been revised from 10 to 35 crores. So these are the top 3 changes that we have seen. Now, SEBI has also said that once a stock is excluded from the derivative segment, it shall not be considered for re-inclusion for a period of 1 year or so. Now, based on this new criteria that's laid out, Nuvama has stated that they understand that the exclusion review can happen in December, and then the exclusions from the derivative segment can only take effect from February 2025 or later. That's with regard to the exclusions. They believe that 18 stocks have a strong chance of being excluded from the derivative segment, and the list is up for you on the screen. Now, let's move to the inclusions. Nuvama says that close to 80 names could qualify for the F&O inclusion, and some of the notable names are up for you on the screen. They add that it seems clear that SEBI intends to include new stocks in the derivatives market, and they believe the new inclusions could be announced in the next few weeks or even the next few months. Nuvama has said that Jio as well as Zomato, well, they are the top contenders to make it to the F&O segment, which if they come into the F&O basket, then they could make its way into the Nifty 50 in the next rejig in early 2025. The final decision, though, is in SEBI's hands. So for now, we'll be watching in for the inclusions that could be just a short while away, and the exclusions could take effect later on, in 2025 itself.
Absolutely. A very sort of regular reassessment of the criteria, always a great thing.